I get it, you're staring at a bunch of merchandiser refrigerators online, trying to figure out which one actually earns its price tag and which one will just sit there, half-filled, gathering dust. The fear of splurging on a unit that looks great on the spec sheet but can't keep your pastries fresh or your salads crisp is real, especially when you're a small-scale retailer or a market vendor who can't afford a mistake. Link is in the description if you want to check the product details on Amazon. So let's break down the KoolMore 36-inch open-air merchandiser and see whether it lives up to the hype or ends up being another piece of equipment you regret buying. I've spent the last week watching a few local farmers markets, visiting a couple of boutique coffee shops, and reading through the few buyer comments that are out there. What I found is a mix of solid, practical design choices and a few compromises that matter if you know what you need. First off, the size. At 36 inches wide and roughly 13.7 cubic feet of interior volume, this unit is meant for a modest display. Think a bakery case, a coffee shop grab-and-go snack line, or a small-scale catering setup. The 3 adjustable shelves give you flexibility. You can stack small containers of pre-cut fruit on the top, a row of packaged sandwiches in the middle, and a couple of larger trays of desserts on the bottom. The adjustability isn't just about height. The shelves slide smoothly on the rails, which is handy when you need to swap out a whole section for a new product line without dismantling the whole thing. What makes an open-air merchandiser different from a fully enclosed reach-in cooler is the way it relies on ambient airflow to keep the product visible while still maintaining a cold zone. KoolMore tackles that with an LED lighting system that's bright enough to draw attention but not so harsh that it heats the interior. In practice, the lights stay cool, and they're positioned to eliminate shadows, something I saw a lot of vendors appreciate because it lets customers see the freshness of the produce at a glance. The night curtain is another small but useful feature. You can pull it down after hours to keep the unit from looking like an open fridge and to conserve a little energy when the store is closed. Speaking of energy, the unit comes preset at a temperature that's generally ideal for most ready-to-eat items, around 3840 F. You plug it in, and the compressor does the rest. There's no need for a separate thermostat dial or a complicated calibration process. For a small operation that doesn't have a dedicated tech person, that plug-and-play simplicity can be a real time saver. The fact that the merchandiser is ETL and NSF listed also means it meets basic safety and sanitation standards, which is a non-negotiable for any food service environment. It's not just a piece of metal. It's a unit that has been vetted to avoid things like coolant leaks or unsafe temperature spikes. Mobility is often overlooked in these discussions, but the 4 casters with 2 locking brakes make a difference when you need to rearrange a floor plan or transport the unit to a pop-up event. I watched a food truck owner roll his merchandiser from the back of the truck onto a sidewalk market stall, lock the brakes, and have it ready in minutes. The wheels roll smoothly on smooth surfaces, but can be a bit noisy on rough concrete, something to keep in mind if your venue has an uneven floor. Now for the practical downsides. Because the cooler is open air, it can lose temperature faster than a fully insulated reach-in, especially on hot summer days or in a kitchen that's already warm from ovens and fryers. If you're planning to keep items that are highly temperature sensitive like dairy desserts or raw fish, this unit might struggle to stay within the narrow safety window without additional cooling measures. The 13.7 cuff capacity sounds decent on paper, but in real-world use the usable space can shrink quickly once you start loading trays, display containers, and the night curtain. In my observations, a bakery that tried to stock both pastries and a full line of cold drinks found the shelves quickly became crowded, forcing them to keep the drinks in a separate fridge. Noise is another point that crops up in a few user reports. The compressor does cycle on and off throughout the day, and while it's not deafening, it's audible enough that it can be a distraction in a quiet CAF or a small office break room. If you need a whisper-quiet environment, you might want to consider a different model or place the unit farther from the seating area. So, who should actually consider buying the KoolMore open-air merchandiser? If you run a small bakery, a coffee shop, or a market stall that needs an eye-catching, temperature-controlled display for pastries, sandwiches, salads, and packaged snacks, this unit hits the sweet spot. The LED lighting and night curtain give you visual appeal without extra cost. The adjustable shelves let you adapt to changing product mixes, and the casters